Join me as I dive into the top wealth building secrets that could change your financial future and see if I can apply them all in just 30 days. Wealth building isn't just about getting rich quick, it's about creating a sustainable financial future that offers freedom and security. In today's economy, where financial stability seems more like a myth than a reality for many, understanding how to build wealth is crucial. It's not just about saving money, it's about making your money work for you. Many people think that wealth is just about having a lot of money, but that's only part of the story. The truth is, wealth building is as much about mindset as it is about strategy. Some believe that you need to be born into wealth or have a high-paying job to build financial stability. However, that's not entirely true. The biggest misconception is that wealth building is only for the privileged few. In reality, anyone can start building wealth, regardless of their current financial situation. What's required is a shift in perspective and a solid understanding of financial principles. Wealth building can be tough, especially when you're living paycheck to paycheck or drowning in debt. The journey to financial freedom can seem overwhelming. With so much information out there, it's hard to know where to start, but that's exactly why I'm here, to guide you through the noise and share actionable strategies that actually work. The foundation of wealth building lies in three key areas: saving, investing, and creating multiple income streams. Saving is about setting aside a portion of your income, no matter how small. Investing is about growing that money through assets that can generate passive income or appreciate over time. And creating multiple income streams, that's about diversifying your income and earnings so you're not reliant on just one paycheck. These aren't new concepts, but they're often overlooked in the pursuit of quick fixes. So what's the game changer? The most powerful secret to wealth building is not about complicated investment strategies or needing a lot of money to start. The real secret is consistency and patience. It's about making small daily decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. It's the power of compound interest, not just on your investments, but on your habits and mindset. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, and the sooner you start, the better. To recap, the strategies we've discussed boil down to simple yet effective principles. Save, invest wisely, diversify your income, and be consistent. These aren't revolutionary ideas, but they're often neglected in our pursuit of instant gratification. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all solution to wealth building. What's crucial is that you start taking action towards your financial goals today. If you're as excited as I am about taking control of your financial future, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know which of these strategies you're going to start implementing today. And if you're looking for more tips on financial literacy and investment, be sure to check out my other videos. If you'd like to speak to me about anything you've heard in this video, then don't hesitate to contact me, that's Alan, on +44 7539 141257 from outside the UK, or 07539 141257 from inside the UK, or the landline 0333 224 1257 from outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.